Hey YouTube, wanted to do a quick how-to or design ideas on designing a pond beach. Our pond, you're the assistant. Our pond is down for maintenance about 3 feet here, so we can see all of the beach, the underwater part, kind of show you. So our watershed starts up at the peak of the house, comes down through the yard here. So your most important thing to keep the sand from washing away is have a nice swale here. Ours could actually be a little bigger. We had some really big storms come through and came right over that swale. So in that case, you just have to shovel some sand back up, but save you a lot of shoveling if you have a big swale here. Underneath the beach is landscape fabric to make anything easy to weed out of there, keep the weeds down, both out of the water and in the water. Oh, who's this? Do you like beaches? Oh yeah, too sunny. Come on this side. Do you like beaches? Yeah. Oh, it's so much fun. Splash, splash.
She does like beaches.
Yep.
She is.
Everybody loves beaches.
I love
So then down at the bottom, can you pick her a flower? Down at the bottom we have another swale to keep the sand in. So this would normally be under 2 to 3 feet of water, right at the bottom where the landscape fabric ends. Assistant's back. Assistant, can you show us how you set up your stepping stones on the edge of the water?
Okay.
If you find any big rocks, strategically place those so you can jump off of them into the sand and water. Alright, are these on the edge of the water? They're normally about half in.
Half in, probably.
Okay.
And then top. Oh, top. This one's a little. Especially on sand on this.
Some harder ones, some easier ones.
This one's a little.
Yeah, so comment below if you have any questions or any tips for us. This beach is only about 13 months old, so we're still learning how to design it best, but I didn't find a whole lot when I looked up how to design your own pond beach or swim pond beach or whatever. Bye!